Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Focus tire pressure warning. First, ensure all 4 tires are correctly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, typically listed on the driver's side door jamb. An underinflated tire is the most common cause. After adjusting, drive your vehicle for about 10 minutes at a speed exceeding 30 miles per hour. This allows the system to relearn the new pressures and should clear the warning light automatically. If the light persists, further steps are needed. If the warning light remains on after driving, you might need to perform a manual reset. Turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Using the steering wheel controls, navigate through the instrument cluster menu until you find the tire pressure monitor system option. Once there, select Reset or Set to confirm the current tire pressures. This action tells the system to recalibrate and should extinguish the warning light. Should the warning light still be active, it's time for some troubleshooting. First, visually inspect each tire pressure sensor for any signs of damage or corrosion, especially after tire changes. Sometimes, a faulty sensor is the culprit. You might also consider a professional diagnostic scan, as this can pinpoint specific sensor malfunctions. Additionally, remember to check your spare tire's pressure, as some systems monitor it too. Addressing these points can often resolve stubborn warnings. If you've tried all these steps and the tire pressure warning light remains illuminated, it's best to consult a certified mechanic. They have specialized tools to diagnose more complex issues, such as a failing TPMS module or wiring problems, ensuring your system functions correctly for your safety. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Investing in your vehicle's maintenance and your comfort is always a smart choice, keeping you safe and cozy on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.